Welcome to the world of elite track and field, where the greatest athletes on the planet compete for the prestigious Diamond League trophy. It is the premier one-day series in athletics, showcasing the top stars in 16 disciplines across 14 meetings. It is a thrilling competition where the points are earned throughout the season, leading to a grand finale. Get ready for a fast-paced journey into the world of speed, power and endurance as we explore the Diamond League. The Diamond League consists of 14 meetings where the athlete compete in 16 disciplines. Athletes earn points based on their finishing positions in each event. The top performers in each discipline qualify for the final. Diamond League final is the culmination of the season where the top athletes compete for the prestigious Diamond Trophy. What about the scoring system? Let's see. So it's a point race where the athlete aim for the most points throughout the season. Points are awarded based on the finishing position, with the winner earning the most points. In case of a tie, athlete with the best legal performance of the season is ranked higher. First place 8 points, second place with the 7 points, third place with the 6 points, and so on up to the 8th place. The ultimate prize in the Diamond League is the prestigious Diamond Trophy awarded to the winner of each discipline. In addition to the trophy, the winner receives a cash prize of 30,000 US dollars, where the Diamond League champion also earns a wild card entry into the world of World Athletics Championship. It has witnessed countless iconic performances from legendary athletes like Usain Bolt, Eliud Kipchoge. The league has also been the stage of epic rivalries between the world's best athletes. Many world records have been broken or challenged in the Diamond League, a thrilling competition that showcases the best of the track and field. From the intense scoring system to the prestigious prizes, it's a must watch for any sports fan. Subscribe to our channel for other exciting sports content. Thank you.